Looking for a blender that does it all: smoothies, soups, chopping, frothing, and whisking, without the mess? Meet the Mueller Multistick Heavy-Duty Immersion Blender, 5-in-1 power in your hands. This blender packs an 800-watt full copper motor with a titanium steel 4-blade system, strong enough to crush ice, nuts, or frozen fruits in seconds. With 12 speeds plus turbo mode, you get smooth, precise results every time, whether it's baby food, salsas, or creamy shakes. And it's more than a blender, it's a complete 5-in-1 tool with a whisk, frother, 20 ounces beaker, and a 16 ounces chopper bowl that doubles as a mini food processor. Plus, detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup super easy. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mueller Multistick 5-in-1 blender, the ultimate cooking companion. Grab yours now on Amazon, link in the description.